If you are looking for easy and delicious Chinese New Year dish, you have come to the right channel. There are a series of delicious and easy to make Chinese New Year recipes waiting for you. Remember to check it out for inspiration and show off your cooking skills and cook for your family this year. Let's make good fortune prosperity chicken, soup, braised eggs, tofu, and broccoli today. This dish is so delicious that I really can't stop eating it. The rich chicken soup with tender tofu is really great. Everyone who has tried it has praised it. Let's start cooking now. Chicken soup small. Egg tofu. Mixed vegetables. Eggs. Broccoli. Broccoli cut into florets. Broccoli soak in salt water for 15 minutes. Cubes egg tofu. Fried egg tofu until both sides golden brown. Fried egg tofu set aside. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Stir-fry broccoli. TSD salt. Simmer 3 tablespoons water until broccoli is cooked. Sprinkle grind black pepper. Broccoli set aside. Stir-fry mixed vegetables. Pour in a small amount of boiling water and add thick soup. Bring to a boil and add water to adjust the thickness. I have added 1 tin hot water to reach the thickness I want. No seasoning is needed as the soup has enough flavors. Add egg tofu and let it cook for seconds. Pour into deep plate. the plate. Plant broccoli, surround the soup. Optional to sprinkle grind black pepper. Beautiful, delicious, good fortune and good health are here to make a grand appearance. You can boil 2 pieces of egg tofu. Then you can stack the egg tofu to symbolize promotion step by step and wealth coming to your door. You may also deco with carrot flour. It'll looks amazing. There are thousands of delicious recipes in my channel. If you love cooking, do follow me now, so you may visit my channel anytime to find inspiration for your cooking. Tofu has fiber, and high-fiber diets keep your colon healthy and cancer risk low. Memory and brain health. Some studies suggest soy foods like tofu might prevent memory loss and trouble thinking as you get older. Broccoli is a nutrient-rich vegetable that may enhance your health in a variety of ways, such as by reducing inflammation, improving blood sugar control, boosting immunity, and promoting heart health. Eat nutritious and delicious food during the new year. This recipe contains soup, vegetables, and tofu and delicious mixed vegetables, symbolize fruitful fortune year. Do check out other delicious CNY recipes too, such as Prosperity Osmanthus egg, Prosperity vegetable, Prosperity steamed stuffed mushrooms, braised abalone fish maw, healthy fruity sang, salted egg cornflakes, etc. You like my recipe sharing, follow my channel, so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya. Wishing all of you be happy and prosperous. May your money and treasures be plentiful. May good fortune fall upon you. Wishing you abundance and prosperity every year. Gong Shi Fat Chai and Happy Chinese New Year.